morning.
Good morning, guys.
We're getting ready to go on Billy Bones' speedboat.
Yeah, they're an eco tour. So we're going to go around the island. We're going to see, probably stop at Creole Rock, Tintamarre, Pinel Island, Grand Cass, and wherever else we have time to stop.
And it is hot already.
Oh, yeah. It's blazing. So we're here with the kids, so it'll be their first time doing this. We've done this tour once before with Billy Bones a couple of years ago, and we've done multiple tours like this with other companies in the past. So
yeah,
all
right, it'll be fun.
Here we go. Can you have some fun?
Yeah.
All right.
Can we put your life jacket on you now?
I like that it has purple in it. That's
yeah, look
cool.
at that. Pretty.
You know what? Oh my
Take it
God.
off right now.
Tell us what you're doing today.
I'm gonna go swimming and catch some fish.
Oh, all right. So, we're on the boat.
We're waiting for a family,
Yeah,
but they did say they would extend our time, that we wouldn't lose out on the time.
yeah. So, apparently,
That's nice.
the other family that's coming on this trip went to the wrong marina, and so we're waiting for them to get here so we can start our tour.
And the girls are being really good.
Yeah, we're having fun.
Yeah.
So, all right, we will be back once we start moving.
Okie dokie. You saw.
Did you see a big fish?
Yeah.
How big was it?
This big.
Oh,
I think
like
it-
this big.
Bigger than that.
It's this big.
Around.
Around. Stay tuned.
Couple on an ocean slide. Island cruisers on a wave so strong, so strong. Sipping on beer as we sail along, as we sail along. Pickleball love with a drop shot tune, drop shot tune. Dancing through life 'neath the coconut moon. Life's no court, but we hit it hard. Beer's our treasure, pickleball's our car. From the island's edges to horizons wide, we're the cruising couple on an ocean slide. Island cruisers on a wave so strong, sipping on beer as we sail along.
First stop, Creole Rock.
Creole Rock. Creole Rock is this area where we are now. This is a marine park from the French side.
So everybody was so hungry, I forgot the video. I'll show you the empty plate. They're pretty close to empty.
That's pretty cool.
They must stop in St. Martin at the Lolos for sure.
And smell. We think you smell through the video.
Yeah. If only there was smell-o-vision.
Cheers.
I cheated.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nothing like a noodle and a beer.
It's one of my
Whee!
favorite pastimes.
Hey guys, we are back at Skipjack's again this year.
Yeah, it's dinner time.
Yeah, we just finished up with our Billy Bones jet boat ride around the island, and went back to the hotel and cleaned up a little bit, and came back to Simpson Bay for Skipjack's. It's Friday. We haven't been here all week.
We got lucky because they didn't have any tables, but they got us in. So
we got here. They're like,
A+ for Skipjack's.
We've got a whole list of reservations here. We got no room. It'll be a long time. And next
They
thing I
needed
know,
the table in a half hour.
she talked them into it or something.
I just asked.
I don't know how she does
I've got a way.
it. She has a way. Yes. So, we'll show you what we get for dinner.
Yeah.
One of our favorite restaurants here. It's what, black and mahi? Or grouper? Black and grouper. What do you get, grouper? Salmon. Okay. Seafood platter.
My grouper was excellent, but it's always really good here.
Yeah.
Most things are really good here.
Sorry, there
The
was
ranch
a car
dressing
coming at us.
was a little bit thin
Yeah.
and not that flavorful.
And it didn't go too far over
But
the
beyond
salads.
that, everything was really good. You know, dinner for two for us with tip cost and 3 drinks cost us a little bit over $100. So
Is that Maho?
no,
Is that a taxi?
that's a taxi, I think.
That's a taxi.
But anyway,
Yeah.
so now we're
Sorry,
headed
lots
out
of
for the night.
distractions.
If you guys have enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up.
Oh, the salmon.
And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Oh, wait, here.
Wait a minute.
Here, go
What do you
ahead.
have to say? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
All right. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a thing.
Nobody likes FOMO.
That's right. So until next time, guys, from peaks to tides.
See you on the next ride.
Bye.
From peaks to tides, mountains to sea crew rides. From peaks to tides, mountains to sea crew rides. From peaks to tides, mountains to sea crew rides. From peaks to tides, mountains to sea crew rides.